Here are 5 reasons why you need to create short-form videos for your business right now. Plus a bonus gift at the end of the video. Let's go. Number 1. Stand out from the crowd. In a world where a goldfish has a longer attention span than humans, you must grab your audience attention quickly. And let's not forget the rise of social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels, where users are scrolling through content at lightning speed. Short-form videos are a perfect solution. By providing bite-sized information, you can keep your audience engaged and interested. Creating short-form videos lets you grab your audience attention quickly and deliver your message effectively. So if you want to succeed in today's fast-paced world, you must start creating short-form content right now. Don't let your potential customers scroll past you in a sea of dull, long-form content. Instead, give them something snappy, entertaining, and to-the-point videos that they'll enjoy watching. Number 2. Short-form videos are highly shareable. Short-form videos are highly shareable, making them a great tool to expand the reach of your business. Think about it. If you create a short-form video that's informative, funny, or just downright entertaining, your viewers will likely share it with their social media followers. And then those followers will share it to their followers and share it to their followers and so on and so forth. You get the idea, right? Your video could reach thousands, if not millions of people. Plus, when they're sharing your video, it's not just your message being spread, it's your brand too. Creating videos showcasing your brand's personality and values can help build awareness and trust among your potential customers. You need to start creating short-form videos to expand your business's reach and get more eyes on your brand. Now, don't be shy promoting your content. Encourage your viewers to share your video to their network. With short-form video, the sky's the limit. Subscribe if you haven't and click the like button on this video. 3 more to go and a bonus at the end. Number 3. Cost-effective marketing. Producing high-quality video content can be expensive. The costs can quickly escalate from hiring a professional videographer to renting equipment and editing software. Now, on the other hand, short-form videos are cost-effective and easy to produce, even for businesses with a tight budget. You don't need a Hollywood-level budget to create an informative and engaging video. You only need a smartphone, basic editing skills, and a great idea. Some of the most successful short-form videos were created with only a smartphone camera and some creative thinking. You don't need to worry about editing software for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and YouTube Shorts. You can create and edit those videos on your phone. Plus, considering the potential ROI of a well-executed short-form video, the investment is well worth it. Creating videos that resonate to your target audience can drive traffic, generate leads, and boost your bottom line. Go ahead, go for it. Number 4. Boost your online visibility and reach. Short-form videos provide endless possibilities for creativity and experimentation. Unlike traditional advertising methods, short-form videos allow you to think outside of the box, experiment with different styles, formats, and topics, and find what resonates with your audience. You're not just selling your product or service when you're creating a short-form video. Showcase your brand's personality. You're showing your company's culture, values, and vision. Customers who relate to your brand will likelier choose you over your competitors. Stand out from the competition and showcase your unique brand personality. Start creating short-form videos today. With short-form videos, the possibilities are endless. You're welcome. Liking the list so far? What's your favorite? Got more ideas? Put them in the comment section. We'd love to hear from you. Let's continue. Number 5. Turn your viewers into loyal fans and brand advocates. Short-form videos build brand loyalty and turn viewers to valuable assets. By creating personal connections with your audience, you can show them that you're not just a faceless business, but a group of real people with real personalities and passions. This builds trust and a sense of community around your brand. In addition, short-form videos allow you to engage with your viewers in real time through comments and messages. Respond to their comments, questions, and even feedback. Show them that you value their opinions and their input. build a deeper connection with your viewers, and foster a community around your brand. Start creating short-form videos today and see the impact it can have on your brand. Now here's our bonus surprise. Check the link in the description below for a free trial of Repurpose.io. Repurpose.io helps you distribute your short-form video content from one source to multiple social media channels. For example, upload your video on TikTok and Repurpose.io will distribute it to places like Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts simultaneously. This saves you time and money so you can focus on creating more content. Go sign up for free by clicking the link in the description below. And there you have it, folks. 5 compelling reasons why you need to do short-form video for your business right now. So grab your phone, hit record, and start creating. And don't forget to share your videos in the comment section. We'd love to see you. I'm Roy Garcia, and we'll see you again next time.